5.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more jumping on the bed."
4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more jumping on the bed."
3.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor